What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the incredible A3++ XP600 DTF printer with shaking dryer machine, a game changer in the world of printing technology. This device is packed with features that will take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm excited to share them with you. First, let's talk about the package included with this printer. You get an amazing deal that includes one set of the XP600 single-head DTF printer, one set of the shaking dryer machine, 5x500 milliliters DTF ink, 1 kilogram of hot melt powder, one roll of 30 centimeters x 100mm DTF film, and one set of the RIIN software. That's a lot of value right there. The fact that you get all these essential components in one package means you can start printing right away without having to worry about sourcing additional materials. This is especially beneficial for businesses or individuals who want to get started with DTF printing as quickly as possible. Another key feature of this printer is its strong packaging. The manufacturer has clearly put a lot of thought into ensuring that the device arrives at your doorstep in perfect condition. They've created custom packaging specifically designed for their printers and supplies, which greatly reduces the risk of damage during transportation. This attention to detail is impressive and gives you peace of mind when ordering online. You can check out the video to see the packaging for yourself and understand how it protects the printer during shipping. Now, let's talk about the printer's capabilities. One of the standout features is its ability to load 13-inch width film, allowing you to print up to 12.5 inches in width. This is a significant advantage, as it gives you the flexibility to print a wide range of designs and materials. Whether you're printing custom t-shirts, stickers, or other promotional items, this printer can handle it with ease. The fact that it can print up to 12.5 inches in width also makes it ideal for larger printing projects, such as printing custom signs or banners. The software that comes with this printer is also worth mentioning. The RIIN Hosonsoft software is safe, easy to install, and virus-free, which is a major plus. It's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11, making it accessible to a wide range of users. What's more, it's a significant improvement over other software like RIP and CAD-Link, which are often plagued by viruses and compatibility issues. With the RIIN software, you can trust that your printing experience will be smooth and hassle-free. This is especially important for businesses that rely on printing as a key part of their operations, as it ensures that you can keep printing without interruptions or downtime. Last but not least, I want to highlight the exceptional customer support and service offered by the manufacturer. As a factory, they can provide all the parts you need for the printer, which means you're not limited by availability or compatibility issues. This is a huge advantage, as it ensures that you can keep using your printer for years to come without having to worry about sourcing replacement parts. In fact, I've heard from buyers who have purchased multiple DTF printers in the past, only to be left with a device that's no longer supported or reparable. With this printer, you can have confidence that you're investing in a long-term solution that will meet your printing needs for years to come. In conclusion, the A3++ XP600 DTF printer with shaking dryer machine is an incredible device that offers a wide range of benefits for printing enthusiasts and businesses alike. With its comprehensive package, strong packaging, impressive printing capabilities, reliable software, and exceptional customer support, this printer is a game changer in the world of DTF printing. If you're looking to take your printing to the next level, I highly recommend checking out this device. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get ready to experience the future of printing. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing experience. Click the link now and discover the possibilities.